Hi mga prouds! For today's video, sure, but I'm starting to run a little bit now and I'm quite happy. And I'm also happy that I wake up early so that I can do this quick run lang ako, guys. You know what? This journey, like nearly a month now, I've been walking. I realized something. Someone will motivate you, but you are the one who will show up every day. Not really every day, but you will be the one who do the implementation, kung baga. Kung tatanungin niyo ako, do I really wake up this time of the day really early? No, I don't like it. I can choose to just sleep in my comfortable bed, but it takes discipline to forget my bed kahit gustong-gusto ko yung pillow ko, and then show up, because at the end of the day, na-realize ko dito living abroad is health is wealth. Cliche as it may seem, but I don't want to regret my life knowing that I could have improved my health 10 years before, because what I am doing right now, my future self will really thank me for it. It's not just aesthetic, but also feeling good, looking good, and para sa future to, no? So ganun, guys. No one will help you but yourself. At the end of the day, ikaw lang ang tutulong sa sarili mo, guys. So, hindi yung ibang tao. At saka, tutulong sila mag-motivate, tutulong sila to encourage you. But you are the ones who will put an effort to make it succeed. Okay? Yun lang. Guys, o diba? Buti may araw pa. Kaya ang ganda kasi ang tahimik, wala pa masyadong mga tao dito sa playground nila, which I like, 'di ba? Yun lang, guys. I hope na motivate kayo, mga ka-proud.